It is working at the global level and it is preparing global educators. So we should be clear as to what global educator is and what a global educator should be like. This reminds me of the qualities of a good teacher that Gandhiji talked about. Gandhiji said that there are three important qualities of a good teacher. The three terms he used were in Hindi: Samta, Mamta, Shamta. Samta means equality, treating all your children equally, all the pupils, all the students, all the learners at an equal level. Mamta, which means affection. You should be affectionate towards your pupils, your students, your learners. And Shamta means ability. That means there are certain abilities which a teacher should have. A teacher should be able to develop these qualities, these abilities within her or within him, so that he or she becomes a good teacher. So these three fit very well under the concept of global educator. A global educator should be one who does not discriminate between one pupil and the other on any basis, whether on the basis of country, whether on the basis of religion, whether on the basis of race, whether on the basis of caste, creed, whether on the basis of gender, and whatever else we have, whatever the walls that have been made between human beings and human beings. So the global educator should be one who is a universal person, who does not discriminate and treats all his pupils, all his learners, all his students at the same level. Again, a global educator, or for that matter any educator, should be an affectionate person. If an educator does not have love for his or her pupils, he or she cannot be a good teacher. And this goes for a teacher in any setting, whether in India or outside India. In a global setting, this is important. So the right attitude of the teacher and the right attitude towards his or her students, towards his or her subject, towards his or her profession, that is the teaching profession, and towards his or her workplace, that is the school or the college or the university. So a teacher, a global educator, should have these two qualities for sure. And of course, there are certain abilities which go with a good teacher. Shamta, good abilities. A good teacher, a good global educator should be a good communicator. Number one. That is the number one quality of a good teacher. If a teacher, an educator, cannot communicate well, cannot explain what he or she knows to the students, then he or she cannot be a good teacher. Then there are qualities like a teacher should be able to use technology and other audiovisual aids. So a teacher should be well versed with the use of aids. If that, and right now it is technology which is important. So one ability which is important for a global educator is the use of technology. Technology savvy person will make a good teacher right now in these circumstances at the global level. Then of course we have to think about the global issues. A global educator should be aware of, should have an understanding of global issues like sustainable development, environmental issues, one world. That means the world is one, all human beings are one. So international brotherhood, international understanding, equality issues, and then the gender issues. Gender issues are global and very important at the global level. So a global educator should understand sustainable development, the sustainable development goals which have been given by UN, and what sustainable education for sustainable development means and how it can be achieved. And of course, environmental issues are a part of sustainable development, and a global educator should be able to impart knowledge about environmental issues to his or her pupils. And all teaching learning process should be in the context, it should bring in the context of environmental issues also. Similarly, the issues of equality and one world, and similarly the issues of gender, that should come out specifically in the teaching learning process of a good global educator. So on the whole, we can say that a global educator is one who understands the international issues, who does not discriminate between one human being and the other, one pupil and the other, on the basis of country, religion, race, or any other aspect, or gender, and a person who understands global issues which are important globally. So a global educator should have all these qualities, a good global educator, and I am sure and I hope Asian College of Teachers will be imparting these kind of qualities, will be doing activities, will be imparting knowledge about these things, about global issues, which will make a good global educator.